don't know how to disassemble, to dismantle. I'm gonna show you now that I can assemble it. Now when it comes to assembling, I need less than 3 minutes to make this bike rideable. Right. First thing first. Okay, there we go. Check. First thing first. Right? Alright. First thing first. Make sure the cables are in, right? Right? Then you leave this one. Right? Yes? Okay. This lock. Up. Lock. Okay. That's fine. First thing first. Pedal up. Pedals. Pedals. There's another pedal here. Pressing out. See? Now we're going to shape on. Then we'll go to this one. Like this. Is it so? Is it so? Is it so? I'll sit on it. No. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's very wrong. Alright? Look. There the bike is done. There's the bike standing there. In less than 2 minutes.